In this video, I'm going to show you how to test to see if a solenoid is good using one of these Armada Tech tools. Pretty cool tool to have and tool to use. Let me show you something. Now, there's going to be some times where you've got a solenoid goes bad. If a zone's not coming on, there might be a problem there with the solenoid. Could be a water problem, but it also could be a solenoid problem. So it could be, or it could be a wire is cut. There's so many things that could go wrong, and that does go wrong from time to time for why a certain sprinkler zone will not come on. Some controllers will give you an error in the display, and that kind of lets you know that there's a wiring problem or a solenoid problem. But today we've got a problem with the solenoid, so I want to show you how to test to see if it's good or not. We have problems with this zone, and I'm guessing that's what it is. When you get to that zone and get to that solenoid, you want to test it to see if that solenoid is good or not. If it's good, then you've got another wire issue somewhere else, maybe with the splice or a cut wire. But if the solenoid is bad, well, you've got to take that solenoid out and replace it. Well, I've already got the solenoid out, so I want to show you how I'm going to test it with this Armada tool. So I have this solenoid here. This comes off of a Rainbird valve. Actually came off of a Rainbird 1-inch PEB, but all the PEBs have this particular solenoid. But one thing I noticed when I went to the valve, this solenoid to the touch, I just took it out, it's hot. And so that lets me know there's something going on with this. So I cut this out, and so first thing you've got to do, strip back some bare wire, and I already noticed this wire is kind of burned. So that lets me know maybe there might be a problem here. You see how it's black, it's burned? So that's not typically very good. So strip some wire back of this solenoid, and then you can take your Armada tool and one lead, clip it on there, and then your black lead, your other lead, clip it on here. It doesn't matter which wire goes where, black or red, because see, you see they're both white coming out of the solenoid. It's just is going to send a current through, and this tool is going to tell me if it's good or not. So when I've got this, I've got both leads together. You can see this Armada tool, and what it has, it's got a little toggle switch up here on top. You can test the solenoid, off clock test, send a tone, and then it's got a green light. When it's good, it clicks over to good. When it's bad, there's a short or something wrong with that solenoid, it'll stay on this red. So I'm going to click it over to solenoid. This is how you're going to test it. So click it over there. See how it stayed on red? And I did hear a click in that solenoid, but this solenoid is not good. So that's just simply how to tell if one is good or bad. But now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you get a good solenoid. So I'm already could tell off of this tool here, this solenoid is no good. So I'm going to end up getting rid of that. But now I've got a new solenoid. I've already stripped some wire back just to save a little bit of time. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to take one of our leads, click it on there, the other one there. So we've got our leads there. I'm kind of spread them apart. Now I've got my tool, my Armada tool, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click it to the left here to that solenoid. See, first it was red, boom, clicked over to good. This tells me that this solenoid is good. Now I'm going to take that new good solenoid and go put it in the valve, and I think that's going to solve all of our problems. But that's how to simply test with using one of these tools, simply test to see if that solenoid is good or not. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing, that way you don't miss any tips.